Creating a relaxing black and white acrylic pour painting is a calming artistic journey that blends creativity, fluid movement, and mindful expression into a mesmerizing visual experience. This abstract art technique begins with preparing a clean, level workspace and gathering high-quality acrylic paints in deep black and brilliant white, along with a pouring medium that ensures smooth flow and beautiful blending. The consistency of the paint is one of the most important elements, as each color should have a silky, honey-like texture that allows it to glide effortlessly across the canvas without becoming too thick or too watery. Once the paints are mixed to the perfect consistency, they are carefully layered into a pouring cup, alternating black and white to create dramatic contrast while preserving the individuality of each color. As the cup is gently lifted or tilted, the paint cascades across the canvas in graceful waves, creating elegant ribbons, soft marbling, and organic patterns that evolve naturally with every movement. Slowly tilting the canvas in different directions encourages the paint to travel, stretch, and intertwine, producing flowing compositions that feel both balanced and spontaneous. The contrast between rich black and luminous white creates a timeless monochromatic design that highlights texture, motion, and depth without the distraction of additional colors. Gentle wrist movements, patient observation, and controlled tilting help shape intricate lines, feather-like details, and soft gradients that give each piece a unique personality. Artists often embrace the unpredictability of acrylic pouring, allowing gravity and fluid dynamics to become creative partners rather than attempting to control every detail. The result is an abstract composition filled with elegant curves, subtle transitions, and captivating visual rhythm that invites viewers to pause, breathe, and appreciate the peaceful beauty of simplicity. Throughout the creative process, maintaining a slow and relaxed pace enhances both the painting experience and the final artwork, transforming the act of pouring into a form of artistic meditation. Small air bubbles can be removed with gentle heat, revealing smoother surfaces and occasionally creating delicate cellular textures that add visual interest while preserving the clean black and white aesthetic. As the paint continues to move and settle, new details emerge, demonstrating how patience plays an essential role in fluid art. Watching the monochromatic pigments interact is both soothing and inspiring, making acrylic pouring an enjoyable activity for beginners and experienced artists alike. The finished artwork often evokes feelings of calm, balance, sophistication, and modern elegance, making it a perfect addition to contemporary interiors or minimalist home decor. Every completed canvas becomes a one-of-a-kind expression of motion, contrast, and creativity, reflecting the beauty that can emerge from embracing fluidity and letting go of perfection. Whether creating art for relaxation, personal enjoyment, or sharing the creative journey through a YouTube video, a black and white acrylic pour offers an engaging visual experience that captivates audiences from the first pour to the final reveal. The smooth movement of paint, the hypnotic blending of contrasting tones, and the gradual emergence of abstract patterns create satisfying moments that encourage viewers to continue watching, while inspiring them to explore acrylic pouring as a peaceful and rewarding artistic practice. The beauty of black and white acrylic pouring lies in its ability to transform the simplest color palette into an extraordinary display of movement, emotion, and visual harmony. As the paint continues to flow naturally across the canvas, every gentle tilt reveals new formations that cannot be precisely predicted, making each artwork completely original. This element of surprise is one of the reasons fluid art has become so captivating for artists and viewers around the world. Instead of forcing a specific design, the creative process encourages patience, observation, and trust in the natural movement of the paint. Thick streams of black weave gracefully through soft rivers of white, creating dramatic contrast while preserving elegant transitions that appear almost like flowing marble, mist, smoke, ocean currents, or ink drifting through water. Every second introduces subtle changes as the pigments stretch, merge, separate, and form delicate details that become more fascinating the longer they are observed. The slow transformation creates a deeply relaxing visual experience, making this style of painting ideal for meditation, stress relief, and mindful creativity. As the canvas is rotated with smooth and deliberate movements, the composition gradually develops balance without losing the spontaneous energy that makes acrylic pouring so unique. Long flowing lines become graceful curves, soft gradients appear between bold contrasts, and unexpected textures emerge naturally through the interaction of the paint. Rather than viewing imperfections as mistakes, experienced abstract artists celebrate every unexpected detail because these organic patterns add personality and authenticity to the finished piece. Gentle heat may be applied carefully to eliminate tiny air bubbles and encourage subtle cellular effects, adding another layer of visual interest without overwhelming the elegant monochromatic design. Throughout the entire process, maintaining a calm pace allows the paint to respond naturally to gravity, preserving smooth transitions and preventing rushed movements that could disrupt the composition. This unhurried approach not only improves the final artwork, but also transforms painting into a peaceful creative ritual where every motion feels intentional and relaxing. Watching the glossy surface reflect light while the contrasting pigments slowly settle is an experience that captures attention and creates a soothing atmosphere, making it especially engaging for YouTube viewers seeking calming art content. The evolving patterns invite audiences to remain present, appreciating every subtle shift as the abstract design unfolds before their eyes. As the painting begins to settle, intricate details become increasingly visible, revealing elegant marbling, feather-like wisps, flowing ribbons, and graceful contours that appear almost effortless despite the careful preparation behind them. The simplicity of using only black and white demonstrates that powerful artistic expression does not require a wide range of colors. Instead, contrast, composition, and movement become the true focus of the artwork. This timeless combination complements modern interiors, minimalist spaces, and contemporary decor while conveying sophistication and tranquility. Every completed canvas serves as a reminder that creativity flourishes when control is balanced with freedom, allowing natural processes to contribute to the artistic outcome. Sharing this relaxing painting journey through a YouTube video offers viewers not only artistic inspiration, but also a peaceful escape from the fast pace of everyday life. The rhythmic pouring, gentle tilting, smooth paint movement, and gradual appearance of abstract forms create an immersive viewing experience that encourages relaxation from beginning to end. As the final composition comes into focus, the glossy monochrome finish reflects elegance, depth, and motion, leaving viewers inspired to experiment with acrylic pouring themselves. Each painting becomes a one-of-a-kind masterpiece shaped by gravity, fluid dynamics, artistic intuition, and patience, proving that even the simplest colors can produce endlessly fascinating abstract art. The final drying stage is equally important, allowing the paint to level naturally while preserving the delicate details created during the pouring process. Once fully cured, the artwork stands as a lasting expression of calm creativity, flowing energy, and modern abstract beauty, demonstrating that the journey of creating art can be just as meaningful and rewarding as the finished painting itself.